Hi guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and today I am going to be showing you I'm just going to be viewing some of the features on Unity and Visual Studio. So in a couple of videos when we get to coding our characters and our racetrack and our codec, like our actual carts, like so we can they're like our vehicles to race with, we know some stuff about Unity and Visual Studio 2017. So I am going to show you in this video some features that I think we would need for this like coding video thingy. Okay, so let's get into the video now. So firstly, you want to open up your Unity. I'm gonna open up Unity. I'm not gonna be stopping in this video to show you how I did something, so you would have to replay this video if you didn't see the steps I did. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing this video quite fast because I'm not gonna be going back. I want you guys to actually learn how to replay it, because in a couple of videos I'm gonna be starting to say pause the video and do blah blah blah. So yeah. Okay, so as you can see, you would spawn at this sun, and you would spawn at this camera, as you can see right there. They're both where you should be spawning at. I told you in the last couple of videos, if you hold your right click down and press WASD, you can go wherever you want, like in a normal game, how you would go up as W and then down or whatever, or side, whatever, as the movement keys. Yeah, you know that? Yeah. So you would use WASD, and if you've really mastered WASD and you don't need to look up for W anymore, you can you just want another button just to go up, you can use Q to go down, and you can use E to go up, like this, just straight up. And yeah, so it's Q to go down, E to go up. Okay, so now as you can see, I'm quite lost. I forgot where the sun and thingy were. I do not know where they went at all. I'm quite lost right now, as you can see, because we want to be at the sun and the camera thingy. So as you can see in what's that, hierarchy, it shows a little thing, and it says hierarchy, as you can see right there. I'm hovering my mouse over it, and all you want to do is you will press on hierarchy. I've already pressed on it, and then you will see sample scene, and then you want to like get this arrow to the down a little bit, and then it says main camera or directional light. The main camera will bring you to the camera, as you could see in where we were before, where we spawned. The main camera will bring you there, like it would show you a way to get there. That's the closest way to get there. And directional light is the sun, as you can see. So if I go up to there, you would see the camera and you would see the sun, and it's right there on it, like the directional light, and the main camera is right there, and it shows a camera preview. And you'll see this like inspector. It's like all like the settings for this and stuff. Don't touch anything in this. Don't even select anything. Don't even select anything, man, because oh my god, it's gonna be hard to fix it. Because please don't do this, otherwise you're gonna be in a big mess. So yeah, so the first thing I want to say, if you want to move around, you have to press right click. So I would recommend you forget to get this these mouse. If you have a mouse that doesn't have a right click button, then you should get a mouse with a right click button. I highly recommend that for this coding videos. And yeah, that's all I was gonna say. And that is the end of no, that's not the end of the video. You thought okay, so the second thing I am gonna tell you guys is the layout and stuff. So you want to go into, so for example, you want to see more of your game, right? You can just do this as the menu. Like you can make the thingy more big. Like as you can see, I can do this, or I can do this. I recommend you doing it up to here until you can't do it anymore. Another thing is you can move the scene, game, asset store, everything to different places. So I can move the scene up to there. I can move like, oh my god, what happened? I can move the game over here. I can move, it's really confusing and stuff, and you're like, oh my god, Ariane, what the hell did you just do? You're so dumb. Oh my god, you just messed up my whole game. Oh my god, you're so dumb. Why would you do that? And you can, all you have to do is you have to go to layout, as you can see at the top. Press on that and press default. You thought I actually messed it up? Nah, man. Why would I mess it up? This is a YouTube video. Why would I mess anything up? Why would I mess up? So that is how you can move around the little thingies around. So you can make it half game. So you can make this like game. This is the game area, or the asset store, or scene, and you can make this part game. It's pretty cool. And then if you always want to go back, you can press default, and there it is. Default scene made for you, just for you. And now, okay, so now I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a really cool and easy script, as you can see. So the first step in making a script is you want to right click on this empty space here where your asset folders are. So you want to right click here, and then you want to select create, and then select C# script. I was gonna say folder, but C# script. Click on that, and then you should see it here pop up, and then it'll let you rename it. So I'm just gonna name it script for now, because we're not gonna do anything with this. And then once you've selected script, you've named it script, or whatever name you named it. We're not gonna code anything. I'm just showing you how it would look like. So once you've named it whatever, you wanna double click it, and it's gonna open up Visual Studio, the one we had to download for this thingy. So wait for it to load. Come on, you just gotta wait for it to load a bit, and then it should pop up. There we go. Now, as you can see, it's all our code in here. All of our code in here. It will ask you it's gonna ask you what layout you want. I'm pretty sure it's gonna ask you like what layout you want, like a color layout. It's gonna say, do you want blue layout, green layout, red layout? Just select blue layout for this thingy, for this coding thingy, so you guys don't get confused and you're like, oh my god, Ariane, what have you done? Oh my god, oh, this is clickbait. Jeez, man. Just select blue, and if it select blue. Please select blue. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, once you're in this coding thing, you can see it is some code that we are going to be learning in this Unity course, and that is really it for the coding bit. So like we're going to be coding in this, so don't worry, this is going to be super fun. So yeah. Okay, and if you want to oh yeah, and the last question it's going to ask you before you do this is have a signed in account. Press maybe later. It will show a little thing at maybe later, and then select this blue thingy, this blue one. it's gonna ask you for the layout, and it's gonna select blue. So yeah, and then you'll be able to go in this code area. Do not delete any of the code. I've never tried deleting any of the code, and I don't recommend you should, because it might mess up something, and then the code won't work, and your game will crash, and something bad is gonna happen. So don't do that. And now, for example, we want to exit out of this now because we won't want it. Just close out of Visual Studio, and then it's gonna close out of the script. I'm just gonna go ahead and delete the script now because this isn't actually our code we're gonna be using for now. Like, we're not gonna actually be we're not gonna be coding in this. So I'm just gonna delete the script, and I'm gonna press delete, and then you can press delete here, and you can also yeah, you can press delete. Sorry, what am I saying? You can press delete here, and do that. Bang! It's all gone forever, ever. Okay, so now for example, we're gonna spawn in a 3D game object. We're gonna be spawning in a cube or whatever object you want. I'm just gonna be spawning a cube. So all you wanna do is go to the very top and press game object, and then press 3D object, and then cube or sphere or cylinder or plane or quad. I don't know. I'm just gonna select cube. And we can spawn as many things as we want, but these are just like, what do they call them? Here, I'm gonna spawn in a tree. Jesus, how big a tree is! Oh my god. Okay. Jeez, man. And you can always go to delete delete the objects by going into the sample scene, and then go into here, right click on it and press delete. There it is, gone. But now I recommend you just getting a cube, because cubes are the best. Cubes are the best, man. Who doesn't like a cube? And you can bring this as high as you want. Oh my god, no. No, my camera's being weird. Okay, there we go. So yeah, this is the cube. I'm just gonna bring it over there so you guys can see a bit. There we go. Okay, then this is the cube right here. Yeah, I don't know what to say about the cube. It's a cube. A cube is a cube. And we can always go and spawn a 2D object. We can always go spawn a 3D cylinder. And you can like stack these on each other. You can make like a little castle. I don't know if that's lined up. No, it's not. We could always go here. Go here. Stack on. Then we could go here. Bang, bro. What a castle. What a castle, man. Look at this castle. It's so good. It's the best castle you've ever seen in your entire life. But anyway, that is gonna be it for today's video. Before you do anything with that, just leave it like this. Delete the cylinder, because we won't need the cylinder. I just wanted you to make the cube in this video. Just make the cube and then leave it as a. So then now all you need to do is you want to go to save this Unity file. So you want to try and exit out, and then it's going to ask you to save, and then press save, and then there you go, it's now saved. And then it would close out for you because you try to exit out, and then now it's going to be saved. So now next time you go in it, we'll just make sure it's saved real quick. Arian effect. There it is, the cube is right there, and we're in the same spot. So that's really good now. As you can see, we're just gonna delete these. I don't know where these came from, but yeah, I think when you spawn the tree, these textures will come. So delete, if you accidentally spawn the tree like me, delete those files down there, and then yeah, that's it. So then once you've saved your Unity, please exit out, and that is it. Please save Unity from now on. Always save Unity. You can also go to, instead of exiting, which might get you to like, you would think you're trying to risk something and you're gonna have to watch my whole video again, you can always go, if Unity opens up, yeah, you can always go to File, and then you can always go to you can always go to File and then Save Project, and then it will save it for you. So yeah, that is gonna be it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Share this with your friends.